Hi, today we are going to learn about solving angle of elevation or depression word problems. Let's look at a problem. Simplify. A tall pole casts a shadow 15 feet long. If the angle of depression looking down from the top of the tall pole to the tip of the shadow is 38 degrees, what is the height of the tall pole? There is a tall pole. Suppose this is my tall pole. This casts a shadow 15 feet long. This is the shadow 15 feet long. If the angle of depression looking down from the top of the tall pole, this is the top of the tall pole, angle of depression from this top to the tip of this shadow is 38 degrees. So this angle is 38 degrees. We need to find the height of the pole. Now let me name this A, B, C. Let's say this point is D here. Now since AD is parallel to BC, this implies your angle DAC should be equal to angle BCA. Alternate angles are always equal. So this angle will also be 38 degrees. Now let us assume the height of the pole to be h feet. Tall pole equal to h feet. So in triangle ABC, this triangle will be right angled. So AB over BC will be equal to tan of 38 degrees. How? Because this is the right angle. So side opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. And the base angle is 38 degrees. Side opposite to the base angle is opposite. So this side is adjacent. And using the SOHCAHTOA rule, we have tangent theta as opposite over adjacent. So we take AB by BC as tangent 38 degrees. So AB is h we have taken. BC is 15 given. This is equal to tangent 38 degrees. We can see tangent 38 by 1. Cross multiplying. We get h is equal to 15 times tangent 38 degrees. Now please put in your calculator 15 times tangent 38 degrees. You will get your answer as 11.72 feet approximated to 2 decimal places. And make sure your calculator should be in the degrees mode while calculating. So A is the answer. Next problem. Simplify. Quincy is looking up to the top of a tree. The angle of elevation to the tree is 19 degrees and the distance from Quincy to the base of the tree is 15 feet. What is the height of the tree? Quincy is looking up to the top of the tree. Suppose this is the tree and here is Quincy. From here, Quincy is looking up to the top here of the tree. Angle of elevation to the tree is 19 degrees. So this angle will be 19 degrees. And the distance from the Quincy to the base of tree is 15 feet. So this distance will be 15 feet. What is the height of the tree? Let's say this triangle ABC. And let height of tree be h feet. So in triangle ABC, we'll take AB by BC as tangent of 19 degrees. AB is h, BC is 15. This is equal to tangent 19 by 1. Cross multiplying. H is equal to 15 times tangent 19. So h will be equal to approximately 5.16 feet. Which is the answer in the B part. Next problem. Simplify. Annie is looking up to the top of a tall pole. Annie is 31 feet away from the base of the tall pole, and the tall pole is 29 feet tall. What is the angle of elevation? Now we need to find the angle. Annie is looking up to the top of a tall pole. This is the tall pole. Here is Annie, and she is looking up here. Annie is 31 feet away from the base of the tall pole. So this distance is 31 feet. And this height is given as 29 feet. Height of the tall pole. We need to find the angle of elevation. Let the angle of elevation be theta. Elevation. So let's say this is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, I have AB over BC as tangent theta, or we can say 29 over 31 is equal to tangent theta. Now we can take the function tan inverse here in order to simplify for theta. So I can write tan inverse as by this notation or this notation or a tan theta. So let me say tan inverse 29 by 31 will be equal to tan inverse tan theta. Tan inverse 29 by 31 is equal to tan inverse tan theta. Tan inverse times tan is 1. So we can say tan inverse of 29 by 31 is equal to theta. This implies, please plug in your calculator tan inverse 29 by 31. You can have any of these notations in your calculator. Tan inverse or arctan or atan. So this will be equal to 43.09 degrees. Or we can also say theta is 43.09 degrees approximately. Which is the answer in the D part. I hope you can practice more problems on angle of elevation or depression word problem solving now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.